my name is Liliana Gallelli and I'm an immigration attorney. I've been helping thousands of people get status since 2004. I want to talk about the U.S. Immigration Services announcement August 24, 2020 regarding DACA. Since the June Supreme Court decision, we've been waiting to see what is going to happen with DACA. Can we get initial DACAs for persons that have never had DACA, and advanced parole, which means the travel permit. So these announcements are going to cover all of these things. So the big news is that advanced parole, the travel permit, is allowed, but please make sure to not travel just because you have DACA. You must have an advanced parole application pre-approved prior to traveling. Now, the reasons for travel are limited to the following examples. To further a U.S. law enforcement interest, to get medical treatment for the person with DACA, if it's not otherwise available in the United States, and then for the well-being or the care, an immediate need for care of an immediate family member of the person with DACA. So if you have family members in your home country, you can possibly explore whether you can qualify for an advanced parole travel permit. Now, again, please do not travel unless that has been approved in advance. And then persons who are considering travel should see an immigration attorney because an advanced parole allows you to apply for readmission back into the United States after you've been abroad, but it doesn't guarantee it. So if you have an immigration history or criminal history, it would be important to have a full analysis by an immigration attorney before traveling. The other big news is that initial DACA applications for persons who have never had DACA before are not going to be accepted, but that may change in the future. Other clarifications are regarding the work permit duration. So new renewals will be issued. Work permit renewals will be issued for only 1 year. If you have a 2-year work permit in hand, those will still be honored, and you can see those through to the date of expiration. But from now on, work permits will be issued for only 1 year. And finally, renewals do have to be done not earlier than 150 days prior to expiration. That has been the rule, but in the past we have been able to apply earlier than that, but perhaps the Immigration Service wants to be more strict about that, so we'll see. Finally, it's important to remember that even if your DACA status has been expired for a while, you can still apply to renew. It wouldn't be considered a new DACA. So if you've ever had DACA before, please do see an attorney and explore whether you can qualify to renew. Now, there's a lot of other things that DACA recipients should know about and possibly getting on a more clear path to getting to their green card. So I'll do another video for that since there are more strategies, and definitely the advanced parole opens up more possibilities. So I'll make another video. Thank you for your attention and take care.